In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import bank transactions from an Excel CSV file into QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take a statement you've downloaded from your bank and get those transactions neatly into your QuickBooks bank feed, ready to review and categorize. Let's start with preparing your CSV file. First, log in to your online banking and download the statement you want to import as a CSV file. Many banks offer multiple formats, like PDF, Excel, or CSV. Make sure you choose CSV because that's the format QuickBooks Online expects for this type of upload. Once you've downloaded it, open the file in Excel or another spreadsheet program, and if needed, save it again as a CSV, sometimes called CSV, delimited. This ensures the file is in a clean, compatible format. Next, you'll want to tidy up the data. Keep things simple by limiting your file to just 3 columns: date, description, and amount. Delete any extra columns like balance, category, or anything your bank might have added that QuickBooks doesn't need for the import. Check the date column carefully. If your bank includes day names like 2011-2023 TUE, remove the day part so it's just the date, for example, 2011-2023. Also make sure all dates use a consistent format throughout the file, such as all MMDDYYY or all DDMMYYY. Consistency here helps QuickBooks read the dates correctly. For credit card statements, pay extra attention to the amount column. In most cases, your expenses should be negative numbers and any refunds or payments to the card should be positive. Adjust those signs now so that charges and payments will show correctly in QuickBooks. Once your CSV is clean and saved, move into QuickBooks Online. From the main dashboard, go to Transactions, then choose Bank Transactions. On this page, you'll see tiles for each bank or credit card account you've set up. Click on the account that matches the statement you just prepared. In the upper area of that account, open the Link Account drop-down and select Upload from File. QuickBooks will prompt you to drag and drop your CSV or browse your computer to find it. Select your prepared file and click Continue. Now map your columns. QuickBooks will ask which column in your file represents the date, which one is the description, and which one is the amount. Match date to date, description to description, and amount to amount, then continue. You'll see a preview of the transactions. Select the ones you want to bring in, confirm by clicking Yes, and then Done. QuickBooks will now import those transactions into your bank feed. Finally, go back to the bank feed to review what you've imported. Each transaction will appear there, ready for you to categorize. Click into them to add details like suppliers or customers, and assign each one to the correct expense or income category. As you go, consider creating rules for recurring vendors or patterns. For example, if you always categorize a certain vendor as office supplies, you can create a rule so that QuickBooks does that automatically next time. That's the full process for importing bank transactions from a CSV file into QuickBooks Online. Prepare your file, upload and map it, then review and categorize.